Hey guys, welcome to the Jet Janix channel again. Today we are going to use the Excel for calculating our date after some working days, okay? And here I'm intended to calculate or to find the date after 9 business days, okay? In simple words, in quite simple words, the question is, what will be the date from starting from 18 August 2022, what will be the date after 9 working days? So it's very easy to find it here, okay? Now let me tell you how can we do it. So first of all, click the equal sign, okay? Equal. And now here we are going to press work days, okay? Sorry, this is the work days. Double click it, and now start date, comma, we have to specify the holidays here, the how many holidays we have in calendar. So I have these holidays which I have selected. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. Oh guys, sorry, I think we did something wrong, okay? Just let me do it again. So work days, start date starting from here. Now we have to specify the working days, after how many working days we are looking for the date. So that is the nine working days, okay? Now press comma and select the holidays you have in this here, okay? And close the parenthesis, press enter. So yeah, we got it now. 31st August 2022 will be the date after 9 working days from this date, okay? It's very easy and it's very beneficial, but here we got a problem here. You see, there are different societies, there are different culture and different countries where the weekend is different, okay? Here I think by default the weekend is Saturday Sunday, but in some countries the weekend is Thursday Friday, Friday Thursday, or Friday Saturday, or something else. So we cannot specify the customized weekend here, and for that we are going to apply another formula, which is here work day, and the second option, this one, okay? It will give you a very customized and very beautiful options here, okay? Click the start date, the same, comma, how many days, 9 working days. And here is the beauty of this option, okay? And your weekend can be Saturday Sunday, Sunday Monday, Tuesday Wednesday, Thursday Friday, Friday Saturday. Now let me select this one, Friday Saturday is the weekend, okay? So double click it, comma, and select the holidays in this calendar year, okay? And close the parenthesis, press enter, okay? Oh yeah, we got the same day after 9 working days from this date if the weekend is on Saturday Sunday or on Friday Saturday. We get the same date after 9 working days. I hope you understand it, and I hope it will work for you and you like it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in next video. Bye bye.